how to add from the business information to the business page in Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add from the business information to the business page in Yelp. Okay, from this business section on your Yelp page, there's a valuable opportunity to tell potential customers what you do and why they should choose your business. So, what do you do first? The first step is to create a Yelp for Business account. How do you do that? Go to the top part of the screen. In the box displayed, you can decide to add a business if you don't have a Yelp business already. You can claim a business if you have a Yelp business, and then you can just log in into your Yelp for Business account. Okay, so once you are logged in, you'll be brought to the home page. Now on the page, while customizing your account, you'll be taken to the for this business section. So on this section, you will see a particular category known as specialties, which means what your business excels at. All right, here you highlight your unique services, your specialties, and then your expertise. What do you do well? What kind of meal do you know how to make more? If it's a restaurant and other things, and then you can also share your business history. How did it start? What inspired you? Customers appreciate knowing the background and the journey of your business. Okay, now doing this, you're adding from the business information to your business page. Okay, just type in all of this. Then the other thing is for you to introduce yourself in your business page. Okay, type in introduce yourself, show your passion and personality. Let customers connect with the person behind the business, and then you can now go ahead and craft your response. Be conversational and friendly, as if you're speaking directly to a customer. Use keywords relevance to your business to improve organic visibility. And then you can update the from the business section periodically to reflect any new services or seasonal specialty. So this is how it works, okay? So for in the business information page, ensure you keep on adding and adding so that what is being written there can be reflected in your business page and can also improve your validity and reliability. Thanks for watching and have a good day.